Hello everyone, in this video today I'm going to give you some guidelines on makeup and storage of these products that have stems that are out of water. Now ideally anything that's going to be out of water should be made up on the day of the event. However, time pressures and workload don't always allow for that. So if you do have to be in the position where you need to make these items up the day before, then a few guidelines on how to store them would be hang the pomander. Now, not only because you need to store it, but also if you lay it flat, you're going to crush the little flowers underneath. So hang it, spray it with a water mister and keep it somewhere cool and dark. Ensure it's got a good airflow as well. Now with the rest of these, line a cardboard box with cellophane and then place on top of that cellophane wet tissue paper. Then lay all of these items on top of that tissue paper. Do bear in mind, however, that if you're using satin, double-faced satin ribbon, it will absorb the water. So just try very hard if you can to keep that away from the water source. Then mist everything and then cover it with more cellophane. So that will actually create its own microclimate, keeping everything nice and moist and fresh for the following day. Store that box in the same place as you would do the pomander, somewhere cool and dark. And then with the bouquets, ideally make those up the day before and then pop them into a bucket, making sure that the water only comes up so far. So you don't want to damage that delicate handle. If you haven't finished the handle the day before, then by all means put it in as deep a water as you like and then finish the handle on the day. But if the handle is completed, make sure the water finishes here so this doesn't soak up any of the residual water, and then pop it into a bucket. Now the beautiful thing about that is all of the stems are supported by the top of the narrow bucket. So I hope this has given you an idea of how to work this style of design into your timetable for your workload leading up to the main day. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.